Adding a Facebook pixel to Google Tag Manager is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to your GTM workspace. Then, click on Tags and then New. Choose Custom HTML as the tag type. Give your tag a descriptive name, like Facebook Pixel base code. After that, in the HTML field, paste the base code from your Facebook pixel. You can find this code in the Pixel Details section of your Facebook Events Manager. Click on the Advanced Settings drop-down menu. Select Once per Page under the Tag Firing options. Under Fire On, select All Pages. Then click on Save to create the tag. Now, create additional tags for specific events you want to track. For example, you might create a tag for Add to Cart or Purchase. Go back to Tags and click New again. Choose Custom HTML as the tag type again. Give your tag a descriptive name, like Facebook Pixel Add to Cart. Paste the event snippet code for Add to Cart from your Facebook Events Manager into the HTML field. In the Advanced Settings, choose Once per Event. Under Fire On, select the trigger that corresponds to the event you're tracking. In this case, you would choose a trigger for Add to Cart. Repeat this process for each event you want to track.